at the Homewood Suites in Carlisle. We have some HTs here. These were installed in 2021. These have good motors. These buttons still feel new. If it says anything on the interlock. Doesn't say anything on the interlock, but that's up there. Look at a cab view. Really nice cabs, especially for an HT. I like it. I'm gonna go up to 2 and switch cars. Just another motor. Switch up here. Well, this one's right here. Notch indicator on this one. Well, this one's silent. We're leveled. Door close button actually working on a Schindler? I was hoping that this place would have 3300s, but these have 330A. I'm gonna go up to 4 and that is off. Motor. I can't really hear anything anyways. It's gonna be cab view. Basically a smaller cab. Besides, this one doesn't have a rear door. I'll watch it close. And that'll be it.